Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best billiard cue sticks is probably one of the most critical pieces of equipment for any serious pool player, profoundly influencing your shot accuracy, power, and overall game performance, making the right choice essential for elevating your play from casual to competitive, ensuring every stroke feels natural and precise. Number 5. GARSEN Pool Cue Stick. Discover the GARSEN Pool Cue Stick, designed for both billiard houses and home bars. It offers a premium playing experience for every enthusiast. Crafted from 100% leather and Canadian grade 6A maple, this stick ensures durability and a superior feel. These high-quality materials contribute to its excellent performance. Experience the perfect blend of technology and tradition with its 3D printing integration. This innovative feature enhances its design and functionality. Each cue stick boasts a unique, handmade painted finish, making it a true work of art. This attention to detail ensures it stands out on any table. Available in 58-inch length and various weights from 18 to 21 ounces, it caters to diverse player preferences. You can choose the perfect balance for your game. We stand by the quality of this product. If any issues arise within 1 year, we offer a hassle-free replacement. What we like. This cue stands out with its unique 3D printing technology and handmade painting, offering a blend of modern tech and traditional artistry. If you appreciate a visually stunning cue with a high-grade maple shaft, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for players who want a distinctive and reliable stick backed by a solid warranty. What people say. Number 4. IgnatGames Professional Pool Cue Set. Crafted from A-grade Canadian maple, this 58-inch, two-piece cue features a low-deflection shaft and a 12.5mm leather tip. It's designed for accurate, consistent shot control and significantly reduces miscues. Its stainless steel joint ensures a solid connection, enhancing your game. This 19 ounces stick provides the perfect balance for serious players. It comes with a hard case, a 3-in-1 tip tool, and 2 cue chalks. You'll also find a chalk holder and a 3-finger spandex glove, ensuring you're always ready for your next match. While ideal for intermediate to advanced players, it's also perfect for hobbyists and recreational users. This set helps anyone improve their skills or upgrade their current setup. Take it to your home game room, competitive pool halls, or use it for tournament play. It's compatible with all standard pool tables, offering versatility wherever you go. This set makes a thoughtful present for any billiards enthusiast. They will appreciate its professional-level performance and precision gear. What we like. This set is engineered for precision, featuring a low-deflection shaft for consistent shot control. It comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including a hard case and tip maintenance tools, making it tournament-ready. If you're an intermediate to advanced player looking for a complete, high-performance setup, this one is designed to elevate your game. What people say. Number 3. Set of 4 58 two-piece pool cue sticks. This complete billiard set includes 4 pool cues, each in a distinct color and with graduated weights from 18 to 21 ounces. It even comes with 2 cue chalks, so you're ready to play instantly. This set is the ultimate addition for home bars, game rooms, or any venue looking for multiplayer readiness. Each 58-inch cue is built with competitive-grade construction, featuring a durable maple wood shaft and a stainless steel joint. Their two-piece design allows for easy transport and convenient storage. This makes them perfect for league nights or tournament play. Experience an enhanced grip and superior protection with these cues. Their ergonomic imitation leather wrap offers a comfortable, scratch-resistant hold that's easy to clean. This design also provides excellent shock absorption, reducing hand vibration during play, while a reinforced rubber bumper protects them from impacts. These cues boast hand-painted trendy colors, sealed with a multi-layer finish that resists warping and maintains their beauty for years. Their chic appearance will stand out on any billiard table. They make an ideal gift for enthusiasts who appreciate both style and performance. Perfect for adults of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced players, they offer a versatile multiplayer experience. These cues provide an excellent balance of entertainment and practice for both 8-ball and 9-ball games. They are suitable for professional tables, billiard rooms, bars, home games, and corporate recreation spaces. What we like. This product offers a complete set of 4 cues, each with a distinct color and graduated weight, perfect for group play. Its ergonomic imitation leather wrap provides a comfortable and durable grip, reducing hand vibration. If you frequently host game nights or need multiple cues for a bar or game room, this versatile set ensures everyone has a suitable stick. What people say. Number 2. Ergonomic Maple Pool Cue Kit. Experience the difference with this intermediate pool cue kit. It's engineered for accuracy, ensuring your shots go exactly where you aim. Its ergonomic grip provides a firm and comfortable hold, designed to last without unraveling like traditional wraps. You'll maintain control throughout your game. This cue boasts a gorgeous, eye-catching color that stands out. It's sure to turn heads wherever you play. Featuring a 13mm leather tip and a 58-inch length, it offers professional-grade feel. Weighing 21 ounces, it provides a balanced and powerful stroke. Equipped with a 5/16x18 pin and a medium deflection Canadian hard rock maple shaft, it delivers consistent performance. A black rubber bumper protects its base. It comes as a complete package, including a hard cue case, joint protectors, 2 chalks, and 2 gloves. Everything you need to start playing is right here. What we like. This cue boasts an ergonomic grip that is very friendly for a firm hold and won't unravel, ensuring comfort during long sessions. Its gorgeous color makes it an absolute eye-catcher, standing out wherever you play. If you're an intermediate player seeking a comfortable, stylish, and accurate cue that comes with essential accessories, this kit is a great option. What people say. Number 1. Premium Maple Billiard Cues 4-pack. Experience superior comfort with its imitation linen wrap. This design provides a cool, non-slip hold, resisting moisture and reducing hand fatigue. You can maintain a smooth, relaxed stroke through even the longest games. Crafted from hard maple, its shaft is laser-checked for perfect straightness and resists warping. The stainless steel joint ensures a tight, wobble-free connection. Plus, a scratch-resistant UV coating protects it from daily wear and tear. This set includes 4 cues, 2 chalks, and a care guide, making it ideal for family and friends. With balanced weights from 18 to 21 ounces, every player can find their perfect match. Get ready for exciting 8-ball and 9-ball nights. Its 9-layer hand-painted design, sealed under a high-gloss UV coat, is sure to turn heads. You'll earn compliments and feel proud to rack up with these striking cues. They add a touch of elegance to any game room. The low-deflection maple shaft and pro taper are engineered for consistent accuracy and spin control. This helps you improve your game from beginner to league play. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This set features a comfortable imitation linen wrap, providing a non-slip hold that resists moisture and reduces hand fatigue. Each cue has a low-deflection maple shaft for precision and is built to last with a laser-checked straightness. If you're looking for a durable, high-performance set of cues for group play that offers both comfort and accuracy, this is an excellent choice for your game room. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.